with my colleague Batagram. We are moving along the tunnel because the weather was pretty good, so which is why we decided to move to the tunnel side, and I hope everything is fine in the tunnel too. So, ni hao. So there are some guys looking at us weirdly. So what about the place work side? What's also a work side? Anyway, it was really nice weather. Just walk along the roadside. I think people will enjoy this weather because if I can show you the background here, it's pretty beautiful. Isn't it beautiful? You show the clouds over there. It's almost like snow over the hills. I guess so. Let's move forward. I have my bag packed inside my coat because I have many things, many stuffs in my my bag, so I don't want them to get water inside it. And now, from here, let me show you from this place. We can see the whole tunnel side. This is our tunnel side where we are going right now. So it's really a beautiful place, but this place is really hot, and today it's like heavy rain, so it's really amazing. How to say rain in Chinese? Rain in Chinese is called 下雨，今天下雨了，太冷了。How to say tunnel in Chinese? Tunnel in Chinese is called 隧道。隧道, alright? 隧道 is there, tunnel. 现在 right now 我们一起去隧道那儿。我们 together go to the tunnel side, okay? Wait, what the hell? My van is right here. What the hell is he doing here? Come on, let's ask him. They are waiting for a person, so no problem at all. I especially like this place of this beautiful view. Come on, lots more to show. Come on. As I told you before, this is Liangshan. There are security persons. Thank God they're here, so we are safe. You know. Thank God. I salute you people. There. Okay. Because of these people, we can just move here and there, no problem.